Yep. And so anyway, we're glad that you're here. And let's see, where is Jean-Baptiste? As we get ready to go to the next one. I know I saw him here earlier. Oh, there he is. Okay. I am going to pin him. There we go.
Hello. Oh.
Hello.
Ah, that's better. So it's my turn, right? No.
Yeah, I'm gonna. There we go. You are pinned. I'm recording. We are good to go. Welcome. We're so glad to have you here. And I was, along with many others, really love what you're doing. And turning the stage over to you.
Well, thanks. I'm pretty nervous, so I hope everything will go fine.
Don't be nervous. We're all friends.
I'm not used to show my face, so that's why.
That's okay.
Okay, so I'm Atrix from Paris, France. I'm making chiptune music on my smartphone using a software called Nanoloop. And on top of this, for the live performances, I use Makey Makey board and Lego custom controller I designed around the board. So I thought maybe some of you may want to create their own controllers and their own boxes for the Makey Makey boards. So I'd like to switch to my screen because I use another camera, so I can show you better how it looks like this. Please tell me if you can see. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Thank you.
Cool. Then you can pin me out because the interesting part is here. So, all right. So the controller looks like this. Both and a bit heavy too. So you can see the board is in here, and I designed a bunch of twitches all around. So I won't tear it apart, but I just wanted to show you maybe how to create your own box for the Makey Makey board, and then make one switch or two using basic Lego parts and some metal thingy. I don't know how to call that. I don't remember. So it's just used to, you know, fasten papers usually. All right, let's go then. So if you want to create your own box, you have to first take the board and then see if it fits. Because the main thing about hacking Legos is that you have to adjust the Legos so it fits to the thing you want to put it in. So fortunately, we are quite crazily. The Makey Makey board fits perfectly in, I think it's 8 to 14 dots of Lego. So you can see if you design just a simple rectangle with 8 here and 14 here, you can put your board inside. Well, okay, not here because I have to avoid cracking the connectors here, but believe me, it works. So first, the first level is I recommend to use Technics here because they got holes in it, and so you can put your wires afterwards through this, so you can connect easily. So just one range, easy. Then you put some plates all around, and the thing you have to take care of is to leave some space for the connector. So here you can see I don't know if it's okay. Okay, you can see here I left two pods here, and also prepare some support here and here. So right now I use this one because it just go here under the connector, and here it touches just at the center of the arrows here. So I know my board will be maintained, but I won't touch any component. Then, okay, I prepared the other stages. So you can build it up using another stack of usual bricks, so you can use whatever. Once again, you have to keep here a hole, so the connector is you can get access to the connector, and you can see it just clicking it. Hold on a second. And there it is. It is protected. So now it's in the box. It's okay. You can use it as you wish. So I won't completely close it because I will use crocodiles. So I will just click from the top. But on the other on my controller, which is there, I used wires that go through the holes and then go directly to the connectors. Here, yes, and there. All right. So now we got 2 rows, and I added some plates on the top here just to be able to put just to be able to close it with this. So let's add this. I think I'll make a proper tutorial one day. Yeah. Okay. And then just put your of course there's nothing that is glued up. So your Makey board is ready. You can take it anywhere and plug it as you wish. All right. I don't know if you have any question, but feel free to ask in the chat. And if I can, I will answer, of course. On the controller, I use several types of switches. I can show you shortly. I wanted to make some more to reproduce this, but it seems I don't have the parts anymore, so I can't actually. So we got some hinges here. Hold on. So here we got the 4 hinges, which are the 4 arrows. And if I tear it down, you'll see it's quite easy to make, as the thing is just 2. Right. Okay, you got an hinge, and you put the metal thing in the top here, one at the bottom here, and the key part is to use tire, small tire, so it bounces up. So when you put it like this, it will bounce up, and then you won't get stuck. I usually use the ground under and connection on top, but it's not. You do as you wish, and then you put some more bricks around, and it will go fine. So I propose you to make something like that. and then because it's the easiest way to do it. So the main part of it is to find some bricks with holes in it. So I designed another switch here. So this one is quite it's simpler than this one. So once again, you get the metal part here and here, so you can connect. Once again, you get the tire. All right, and that's pretty all actually. This time I didn't even use a complete hinge. I used only the top. So let's build another one so you can see how you can do that. So let's go. So prepared this one. This is a top hinge. So this is the main difficulty. You have to find hinges with holes, and that's done. Then you get a rotating part, and then okay, you get to put another one here because it's too low if you don't do that. All right, then place. Come here, and let's put the it's right now. So put the little part inside through the hole, right? And then funny part is that even if you it seems like you will block your Lego parts for assembling, but actually it will work. You see. So, all right. Yeah, it's okay. Sorry for the focus. So I put it here, and then you can see the metallic part is sticking out. We'll use a small part like this with a bridge, so you can bridge it, and then you have to fill the holes. For example, it's always cool to have a model so you can reproduce it. Okay, now this one. Come on. Okay, then I have to add a small plate inside the hole, because if I don't, the tire will be too low and it won't bounce up. So I do that at the tire here. Okay, and then I can part on top. Let's say this way. once again, you can get under, it's okay. Okay. And we have to add one row of plates, so it won't move, one break. That's done. Maybe is not a good idea. Put it the other way. Okay. Right. And then add the big button on the top, like this. And you're done, it's okay. There. So try to unstick it so I can show it to you. So here I did another one. Oh yeah, thanks Mitch. So brass paper fasteners, thanks. Thanks a lot. So so it's basically just you put the two contacts in contact. So the trick is to find parts with holes and use the fasteners and use the tires as a bumper, and any device can work, any configuration can work. So this one is okay. Then I wanted to show you there's another one you can do. I didn't use it for before, but I thought about it yesterday. It's the same kind of thing, but using central hinge this time. So you will have two switches, one on each side. It's pretty easy, this one, because you only need to have a big plate, like 8 and 4 and 8. You put your hinge here. So this time I used this time I used 2 pots like this, right? So these are used for the wheels usually, and this one I don't know if it's quite easy to find, but well, there are other ones with only a square of 4 dots. It works too. So you put one on each side. Then you sorry. Then you use a Technic plate of 8x2, so you can have the holes at the extremities. And then you just use this time 2 tires, one on each side, here and there. And oh yeah, I don't know. So first put the parts in it. Come on. All right, just a trick, don't put this into the holes. No, you probably don't see it on the side. Yeah, for example, on this part, if you can see, you get the holes here. If you put the metal parts out from here, first you get you'll get on the diagonals, and then you will maybe refrain your brick from being plugged. So I tend not to use this configuration, but just stick to the horizontal part, even if it's weird because it feels like you will it sounds like it won't work, but actually it's the better way to do it. So there. Sure. All right, let's make this, and after that we'll try to use our Makey Makey, right? Everybody's sleeping. Are you okay? I'm sorry.
No, we're all good. Actually, people are liking it. And actually, Jean-Marc's son actually pulled out, his son Marcus pulled out his Legos to start working on it with you.
Oh yeah,
so,
cool. I'm planning to provide some instructions because actually it's the first time I do a tutorial. So
no, it's good. Actually, and Troublemaker Hans said that he finished making a Switch and his kids are asking him what is he doing? So you are
that's so cool.
You're being very
Okay.
effective. Thank you.
All right, then let's go on then. So here we use the two tires, one on each side. I don't even take some parts here. Maybe I should. Okay, I'll try it. I didn't try it yet. So let's put the 4 2x1 bricks on the side. So so the tires won't move. This one's right. Then you put the 2 tires here. It's a bit weird to put it before, but if you don't, you won't be able to put it afterward because of the pressure. That's a bit tricky to keep it vertical. All right. Okay, I put it after because I can't. Oh. Destroyed everything. Let's put the tires back. So you have to force it into this space. That's on the other side. So we can see it's already in good shape. Yeah, so we get a good balance between the 2 switches. And then lock it. All right. So we get a, oh, it's a bit, yeah, okay. It's a bit clunky, but I think it would work. Up. So now we'll put the 2 little parts here. Stuff, but not too much. Right. So now we can see it won't move. I mean, the little parts won't get out. You need to smash it, and it's done. You can see. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you see it really, but yeah, okay. Anyway, believe me, it works. So we can see we get a. I don't know how to call that in French. You call it bascule. So you can pick whichever direction you want. I got a third switch I wanted to show you, but I think I just will show you on the controller because I'm not sure. I have the proper parts, and it's a bit long to do. It's what I call the big red button. It's this one. It's my favorite. I don't know if you. I made a video already on this. So this is just for the fun. You can remove it. The trick with it is that I wanted to make a switch using only big bricks 2x4, and the trick using it is that you have to use such parts. Yeah, such parts, which once again I don't know how to call that in English. I'm sorry.
Oh, hey, question. We did have a question for you. Is there a way to make music? Can
Yeah.
you do a music demo?
Yeah, I'm planning to. I hope it will
Okay.
work with the
Excellent.
new one. So if you want to make this one, you'll have to use this one inside, upside down, and this one on top of it, and use once again 2 tires, one on each side, and then it will work perfectly. The only thing is that you have to find these parts with holes in it once again, because if you use the usual one without hole, it won't work because you can't put the brads or the press fasteners in it. So anyway, right, let's try to make it work. Hold on. Okay, so I use this. First, I didn't use this board for now, so we'll see how it goes. Hello. Right. Okay, so it's connected now. Once again, I don't know if you will hear anything because I used I used a computer microphone. So, and I use a helmet, so I think it won't work, but let's try. Anyway. So I connect ground. Oh, I tried. All right. So let's try this one, for example. And down. No, that doesn't work. All right. Well, I want to try with the other board then, because this one I know it works with my computer. Maybe this one don't have the drivers or whatever, or maybe it's a problem of connection. No. Okay. Okay, so this is my switch. This is the switch which doesn't work. I'm going to try. Okay, so push Franklin. Okay. Yeah, I almost see anything. I don't see anything. Give me a second so I can wire the other one and try something. Do you have? Oh, I have to hurry, right?
Oh, you probably have, well, maybe a minute or two. I did post your website and your Instagram and your Twitter page.
Oh, that's really nice.
But yeah, we probably I guess well, you have a minute. No, no pressure.
No pressure at all.
No pressure at all. But it's good, I think it's really great that you joined us, and we're gonna do this. We'll do more of these. We'll get better. We'll figure it out. We'll get more and more people making.
All right.
Oh, there you go.
So basically my plan is to plug this and then try to run yeah, it looks cool. All right, I have use the Makey Makey sampler app, because once again I saw it coming, but I didn't use it until last week, and I think it's funny. I'm not being a drummer, so it will certainly not be really good, but anyway. All right. I use this. So yeah, this box is not really designed to be used that way.
Well,
because as you can see, I'm struggling.
that's okay. You know what? Why don't we, I don't think that there's any more questions. Well, someone says don't stop, but we
All
need
right.
to.
That's really nice.
So that's
Sure.
a sign that we'll do more of these, but thank you. It was a great session, and you've inspired a lot of folks to pull out their Legos and start making and get their Makey Makey boards out too.
Yeah.